On YouTube, people are asking what colour should I be polishing my sea shade tricker boots. This is a beautiful leather. I think it's a little bit thicker than the standard leather, the sea shade leather. It's a beautiful colour. My customers call it orange, but it's sea shade. It's the traditional colour of a tricker's shoe or boot. You can see somebody coming a mile off in a pair of tricker's sea shade. We do love it. The polish you put on there, well, it's really, I like the slightly matte finish on a sea shade shoe or boot. If it was mine, I would be putting a cream on. This is a Tricker's Cognac Cream. You can see the colour there. On a new boot, the fact that this colour is a little bit off, it doesn't really matter because the leather will not really absorb that colour. Once the boot gets worn and you get a few creases in there and we start to open the grain up on the leather, then it will absorb the colour. So that's the Tricker's Cognac. This is the Saphir Cognac, little bit lighter but still dark. Here we have a TRG polish there, and then this is what we use. This is a Sovereign Shoe Cream. A cream, not a polish. Cream is lovely for the leather. It will retain this sort of matte finish, and you can polish this leather if you want to, and I've seen a few polished up with a mid-tan polish and they look absolutely fine. Some customers like to use a neutral, absolutely fine, while the boot is new. But once it starts to crease and once you start to get a little bit of muck in those creases, you really want to be putting a bit of colour back into your sea shade trickers. And that's when it becomes important that you get the right colour on there. This really is a fabulous leather. You can clean this leather off with all the Saphir products. We like to use the Saphir products, they are great, but you never, with the Saphir, you never get a really spot on colour match. And if that's not important to you, it's absolutely fine. Use the Cognac and the boot will slightly darken, especially when it gets a little bit older.